Hi and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers how to create match the following using pictures. Before starting, I have one video about how to create match the columns using Google Forms. Watch the video, link is given in the description box. Let's start. Firstly, open a new form, right click on My Drive, More Options, Google Forms, click on blank form. So here into the new form, header can be designed. Check the video how to design header by applying different themes. Link is given in the description box. Here question is added. If not, using this plus sign, a new question can be added. Type your question. Match the following. Your icon is visible. Click on this icon to insert image. Click on browse. Select your image. Click on open. In 2 seconds, you can see image is uploaded. So here you can see 3 vertical dots. Click on this. Alignment options are available. Left, center, and right align. I will choose center align. Here you will find change option. You can change the picture if you want. And you can even remove the picture. Last is add a caption. You can give a title to the picture. For example, here for example, I have written means of transportation. Next step is select multiple choice option. In the previous video of match the following, I used multiple choice grid option. Here in this we'll choose multiple choice. In the first option, you will find this add image option. Click on this. Click on browse. Select the picture. Click on open. The first picture is uploaded. For the second option, click on add option. Here you will find option 2. In front of this, click on add image. Next, in the upload option, click on browse. Select the picture. Click on open. This is the second option. For the third option, again click on add image. Select the image. Click on open. Now for the last option, click on add option. Click on add image. Here you can even choose image from camera, by URL, from photos, Google Drive, Google image search. So here I am using upload option. Click on browse again. Select the picture. Click on open. Here fourth option is uploaded. Here you will see. So this is our match the following questions, the image and the 4 options below. So here answer key option is not available. For this, click on settings option. In the quizzes, select make this a quiz option. Click on save option. Changes will be saved. Now after selecting make a quiz option, you will find the answer key option. Select answer key. Select the correct answer and points. Final step, click on done. So this is match the following questions using pictures. Let's preview this and check. Click on preview. Match the following questions is visible to the right side points, and here the main picture of the question, and below are the 4 options. This clear selection option will unselect all these selected options. So click your correct answer and submit. If you have any query about Google Forms, how to create different types of questions, comment in the comments box below. I will definitely solve your queries. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.